Okay, so what is a UPE, unpaid present entitlement? So it's when a trust resolved to make an income distribution to a company and it's not physically paid out, it's unpaid. So really trite statement to make, but you only have unpaid entitlements when the income is not paid to a company beneficiary. It's easy. So when do you have this? Quite clearly, when the trustors use the funds representing the income to acquire assets, there is nothing further that could be paid out to the company, so therefore there will be an unpaid entitlement. Also, when the trust pays off its own debt, external debt, there will be no income out of which can now be paid to the company beneficiary. So when you're dealing practically with your clients, you need to think, okay, well, where will the unpaid entitlements come from? Why will they arise? What is this particular trust doing with its income? Is it paying off debt? Is it acquiring assets? Is it building up working capital? Because only you will be able to know for each particular client where the UPEs will come from, because that is useful. Because as you will discover, if you haven't already done so, the tax office's position on unpaid entitlements is not the death of using corporate beneficiaries. All it just means is the profits that have been distributed and will continue to be distributed to the company have to eventually be paid across. If that's all you can take away from a session like this, yeah, you're halfway there. Because finally, the trustee really has to do what it has to do, what it should always have to do, which is treat the beneficiaries as a separate class of people and act for their benefit. So it is for their benefit for the beneficiaries to eventually get the income that they've been distributed to.